Hello everyone, welcome to the 2020 Dream Home by Bonneville Homes. My name is Christine, I'm from BedforBrooks Design, and we'd like to take you on a quick tour today of what we had in store for you this year. So come on in. There's a camera crew in the house today taking a few photos, so we're going to work around them. Anyway, if you follow me this way, I'd like to introduce you to the great room. And as you can see, we've got beautiful furnishings here from Home Société and beautiful area rugs from Dominion Rug & Home. We've got a lovely kitchen space over here, all the countertops and millwork supplied by both Bonneville Homes and Vico Stone, Canada. And then let's take a tour in the other direction to where the bedrooms are. And here we are in the guest bedroom. Please have a look at the beautiful furnishings that were upcycled by Furniture Bank, one of our great partners. Once again, gorgeous area rug on the floor by Dominion Rug & Home. Stunning blinds by Budget Blinds. And if we come down the hall this way, I'd like to take a quick peek into the powder room, where you'll see the wonderful monkey wallpapers supplied by Metro Wall Coverings, gorgeous accessories by Carre Design. And then follow me down this way. We'll go through the laundry room. Here we go into the laundry room. Once again, gorgeous stone countertops from Vico Stone, Canada. And just around the corner here, into the master ensuite. Gorgeous accessories from Carre Design. And just stunningly appointed by, once again, a collaboration of all of our partners. And into the master closet, Lakva Kitchens has supplied custom millwork throughout the entire home for us this year. And here we go to the master bedroom, where you'll see beautiful wall coverings again by Metro Wall Coverings and accessories by Carre Design. And you'll notice in the entire dream home, as in the master bedroom here, exceptional artwork that has been provided to us this year by Dimensions Gallery, and also absolutely stunning lighting from Sescolite Lighting. We are outside of the dream home and just wanted to give you a very quick run through of what we have in store for you this year outside. We have beautiful landscaping throughout the entire backyard space by Three Brothers Landscaping, gorgeous furniture, outdoor furnishings supplied by Jardin de Ville, and Aluminum Pergola was kind enough to build a beautiful custom pergola for us this year, covering a custom outdoor kitchen with all appliances supplied by TA Appliances. Thank you to all of our partners, and we really hope you enjoyed this tour.